Good morning, students. Today we are going to study here this NCERT book, Math Magic. In this book, we have started this second chapter. In this second chapter, see this next one point: shapes and towers. Shapes and towers. Look for triangles in pictures below. From the activity changing these shapes, can you guess these triangles are used in these towers? See here in these towers, here triangles are used. In this type here, triangles are used. Triangle in shape of this here towers. In this tower also this triangle shape. This next one here also triangle shape. All these towers here triangle shape. Angle and time. Jinath, your watch does not have digits. How do you read time? I just see the angles. See, when the hands make a right angle, then now it is correctly 9 o'clock. See here, this short hand on 9 and this long hand on 12 means correct here 9 o'clock. This time is 9 o'clock. Then angle, which angle is formed here? Right angle. There are many times in a day when the hands of a clock make a right angle. Now you draw this some more. Then see this right angle, correct 9 o'clock right angle, correct 3 o'clock, this also right angle. Then again see here, you draw this clock. This correct 9 o'clock, this right angle. Again see here, next one here, here 3 o'clock, short hand on 3. See here also right angle. Then when time is 3 o'clock also right angle. Then another clock you draw here. See this clock, this time is exactly, suppose here 3:30. Then this also right angle. Then again this quarter past 6, this also right angle. Then you draw here many clocks and which form a right angle. Then second one, write what kind of angle is made by the hands in these times and also write the time. See this clock, you write first time and which type of angle is formed, you write here. See in first clock here short hand on 7 and here big hand on 5, means exactly time is here 7:25, 25 minutes past 7. Time is here 7:25. Then which type of angle is formed here? See here, acute angle. Then see second one time here, short hand on 8, big hand here 3 means 15 minute means 15 minutes past 8, 8:15. Which type of angle is formed here? Obtuse angle. Then in third one, time is here 9:10. 9:10 means 10 minutes past 9. 10 minutes past 9. Then which type of angle is formed here? Obtuse angle. Then see here Next one 9:25. 9:25. 25 minutes past 9. Here which type of angle formed here? This obtuse angle. Then last one see correct 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. This acute angle. Then see next one question. Draw the hands of the clocks when they make an angle which is less than a right angle and also write the time. Here clock is given. In this clock you write this time. Which type of angle is here? Less than a right angle. Less than a right angle means acute angle. Then you draw here clock and time, also write this less than right angle when acute angle is formed. Then you see this clock. Correct 10 o'clock. So this correct 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. This angle is less than right angle means acute angle. Again next one clock you draw here. Time is suppose here 1 and here 10. 10 minutes past 1. Then which type of angle is formed? This less than right angle means acute angle. In this type of clock you draw this, which angle is formed here? Acute angle, less than this right angle. Then see these matchsticks puzzles. You by using these matchsticks you draw these different type of pictures. See first one, this star. Here how many sides, how many angles you see here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here also see this picture 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here 8 angles formed. Here 6 angles formed. Here 7 angles formed. The next one see this degree clock. Degree clock. Appu and Kittu. This Appu and Kittu are playing this carom board. Appu hit the striker. Appu hit the striker. Then it comes back at the same angle. When he hit this striker, then this come back and form here one angle. In the picture their points, see here A, B, C are shown. See here this picture, this carom board. Here A, B, C points are shown, and draw a line to show from which point Kittu should hit to get the queen. Which point Kittu should the queen? In this point. Then here this written here. Then if you want you can measure the angle in degrees using a degree clock. Degree is written as by using this protector. Here angle is formed. Then by using this protector you measure this, how which type of means you can measure the angle by using this protector, and how many degree of this angle is here. Acute angle is there, but which how many degree this, which degree? 45 60 75. This less than 90 degree. Then next activity, see making a degree clock. Making a degree clock. Cut a circle out of paper. One paper you cut this circle type, then fold it into half, semicircle. Firstly you cut paper of a circle type, this circle, then again it fold it into half. Then fold it against into a quarter. Then it fold into against into a quarter means this type. Fold it against into a quarter. Then fold it once more. Again it is fold it once more means this type. This type formed here. Again fold this quarter of this circle. Then this type of shape. Then open the paper and you will see these lines like this. You open this paper and you will see these lines like this in this type. Now mark this 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree as shown. Then paste it on old card. Then it is pasted in on a old card. Then from the center draw one hand. From center you draw one hand. Make a red hand with a thick paper and fix it into the center with a drawing pin. Say a drawing pin so that it is free to move. And your degree clock is ready. See here 0 degree, here 45, 90 and here 180 degree. Then use your degree clock to measure this right angle of your pencil box. Is the measure of this right angle means 90 degree. Can you guess how many degrees is the angle which is 90 degree is called as this right angle? Then here see these questions. 1 by 2 of a right angle. 1 by 2 of a right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Right angle 90 degree. 1 by 2 of a right angle. Right angle 90 degree means 1 by 2 into 90. Then 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10. Which type of degree angle is formed here? 45 degree. Then next one 1 by 3 of a right angle. 1 by 3 of a right angle. 1 by 3 of a right angle. See this 1 by 3 into right angle means 90 degree. Then here 3 3s are 9, 0 means which type degree here formed? 30 degree. Then 2 times of a right angle. See this next one 2 times. 2 times of a right angle. 2 times of a right angle means right angle 90 degree means 2 times means twice. 2 into 90 is equal to 180 degree. Then measure the angle from where Kittu should hit the sticker on page this 30 degree. Then next one this angles in a paper aeroplane tomorrow. Okay.